So last week was double game week, and City did not actually flatter to deceive. They won both games in that double, sequence without conceding a goal. It's very important to know that. Also, Spurs, they were able to get some points onto the board, and the whole mix is helping them sort of push West Ham down, and they are looking to avoid relegation at this point in time. There are some players that you should note. So, Brighton and Hove Albion's Hinshelwood has now scored the 3 straight games, but that does not mean you should bring him in. Doesn't mean you should bring him in. Tarkowski also got a goal and assist, which is actually once in a blue moon for the big man at the back of Everton. However, there are fixtures that you should target this week. So City and Chelsea would not be playing in the EPL this week. They'll play early part of next week, okay? But you can actually include some of their players in the match day week because they will all end up playing this week. Good. So target these games. Arsenal versus Burnley. Burnley have already been relegated. In their last game, they had to actually fight and make that game 2-2, so they really are there for the taking, and meaning putting Arsenal in the game to watch. Then you need to look at some players that I'll recommend for you. Victor Gyokeres. So Victor Gyokeres, he's getting the goals here and there. In the last 3 match weeks, he has had a total of some really good points, and this is one of the best games he could actually get a lot of goals. Even if he doesn't get the goals in this one, then it's problematic. And one player that you should actually sell, because into the tail end of the season he has really just gone off the map, is Morgan Rogers. I don't know why he keeps doing this season in, season out. He's fallen off the cliff, and please, they are playing Liverpool this evening. Yes, so please take him out of your team. Now, let me just give you some tips for this week. Listen, we are getting to the end of the season, so you need to start playing your chips. You need to start playing your chips. Quick chips, you need to start playing your chips. But for captaincy, please, since we are targeting the Arsenal Burnley, I'll give you 3 captaincy options today. Number 1 is Saka. Saka flattered to deceive in that particular game they played last time out, but give him an opportunity and he won't be that person again. Yes, so give him an opportunity as a captain. Another person you should be able to consider also is Bruno Fernandes. Yes, his team also played really awful. Manchester United played awful last time out against Sunderland. This time they are playing Nottingham Forest. Nottingham Forest look to be all but safe. So you should actually target Bruno Fernandes as well in that game. He's playing at home. It's his fortress. That's what he loves to do. And let me also bring in some very interesting games for you. You can still consider Haaland. He will definitely play before the week ends. Now, Another. So Haaland will be playing against Bournemouth when he gets to play in the EPL again. Now, differentials for this week include Bruno Guimaraes. Yes, Newcastle will be playing West Ham. And for someone combative to pull strings together for Newcastle, he is the one, Bruno Guimaraes. Another name is Jeremy Doku, the man who has come in clutch and getting all the goals, all the needed assists. The technicality to his dribbling, would look at it at a much later date. He needs to be considered as well. And then the man, Leandro Trossard, he is also one of the big differentials for this week. Like I keep saying, if you have been following the FPL clinic, you should be in the greens. You are always way above the average.